Hi, in today's video we are going to do something a little unusual. We are going to be Konmari folding your little kiddie pool. So it came in this box, this little box, but do you think you'll ever get it back in there or back to that size? We're gonna try it. Let's see if Marie Kondo's Konmari folding is really up for the challenge. Let's see. So this is what the pool looked like when it was in use this summer. And here it is hanging over a table as I dried it after being washed. Give me a moment while I stretch this all out. Oh. There we go. Yep. Sure. Alright. So, I think the easiest way is going to be to have some of it folded in. I use the point where the side meets the bottom as my folding point. Start making those fold. Try to make the sides in that rectangular shape that we need to make a normal fold. Pulling it tight. And then using this as our guide for our next side. Getting all the air out of it as you go. Same with this side. And I left the air valves open so that the air could escape as I folded it. We could do it one more time. I think I want to make sure that I have these where you blow it up not squished. Now we definitely have a straight side. Helps get all the air out. And that side as well. I don't think it matters if it's perfectly square, perfectly straight. That Marie Kondo smoothing it really is an interesting thing when it's this size. Yeah. I'm gonna go in one more time. And not, and just up to where those little valves are. Konmari smoothing is gonna go a long way with us here. Here. I'm just nestling in between. So if we consult the box, it's not quite the right size. Folding it in thirds. Because it's gotta fit inside the box. So that's too big that way. It would work this way. That's probably how I'm going to try to shove it in anyway, so. A little bit closer. Move it on out. To fit. Not necessarily this way, but this way. There are three. 1, 2, 3. Well, it starts right there. Okay. So right there. It's actually not too bad. Okay, so this is where we're at now, where this is going to definitely fit this way and this way. If we can get this air out. So I actually had one of the valves that you blow it up with was closed on the ring, one of the rings. Stops it from getting rid of all the air. So double check that at this point. And then I just sit on it. And make sure I'm getting all the air out. That last bit. And don't let that air back in. want to go this way. That's leaving that space between so that when it folds together, it doesn't make it longer or wider or add bulk to the width or the length. It'll stand up on its own if you wanted to put it in a cupboard or in a drawer, on a shelf, or if you wanted to fit it back in the box. Make sure you get all that air out again. Quickly stuff it in the box. Either this way, or if you're quick enough, the other way. Stay closed. It worked! Woohoo! So if you have any other unusual or awkward items that you'd love to find out if you could Konmari fold them, leave a comment below. And please subscribe so that you can get notified when I try to fold something new.